Hello friends, today we are going to see the one chapter which is related to the fluid mechanics, and that is the properties of the fluid. So basically we will see the today's video the definition of the specific weight, specific mass and specific gravity, and last one is specific volume. We will see in this video. So let's get started. The first definition is mass density. It is also sometimes it is also called as a specific mass, otherwise density. Generally we denote this mass density in rho. It is denoted as a by rho. It is denoted by a rho. So it is mass density, specific mass or density. The definition of the mass density is nothing but mass per unit volume. The mass per unit volume of a liquid is called as density. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो mass density means mass upon volume. Mass के related means mass upon volume, that will give us mass density. सो मास डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? मास पर वॉल्यूम. मास पर वॉल्यूम. तो यूनिट कैसा होगा? यूनिट हम मास किस में मेजर करते हैं? एक तो केजी और एक अदरवाइज इन अ ग्राम. सो केजी. और वॉल्यूम किस में? मीटर क्यूब, एमएम क्यूब, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. बट ओके, वी विल कंसिडर द एसआई यूनिट. सो मास का ऐसा यूनिट का है केजी और वॉल्यूम का क्या होगा? मीटर क्यूब. सो यूनिट क्या होगा हमारा? केजी पर मीटर क्यूब. द यूनिट ऑफ द मास डेंसिटी केजी पर मीटर क्यूब, मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. सो द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ द मास डेंसिटी इज केजी पर मीटर क्यूब. एंड फॉर अ वाटर की क्या होती है? मास डेंसिटी एट 4 डिग्री. ओके, प्लीज रिमाइंड, ये 4 डिग्री पर होती है. एट 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस द डेंसिटी ऑफ द वाटर इज 1000 kg per meter cube. This is the standard one. You can keep it in the mind. So mass density of a water is, we denote the mass density in a rho. So is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube at a 4 degree Celsius. If you talk about the mercury, so for mercury, it is a 13,600 kg per meter cube. It is a mass density of mercury. Okay, now next is we will see the weight density, otherwise specific weight. Weight density means it is the ratio of weight per volume. Weight ke related to weight per volume. The weight per unit volume of a liquid is called as unit density, and it is denoted by gamma. So weight per volume, this is the formula for that. So weight means mass into acceleration. W is equal to mass into acceleration. W क्या होता है? Mass into acceleration. So mg upon volume. mg upon volume. Otherwise हम इसे और weight density क्या होती है? हाँ, okay. So mass per volume क्या होता है? Mass per volume, it is nothing but rho. Mass per volume means mass density, otherwise specific mass or density. So this is okay. So mass per volume is rho into g. So we can calculate the weight density in 2 ways. First one is weight per volume, and second one is rho into g. That we can calculate the weight density in 2 ways. So let's see the unit of the weight density. What will be the? It will be the Newton per mg. Newton per mg, not mg, meter cube. Newton per meter cube. क्योंकि आपको वेट, हमारा वेट किस में मेजर करते हैं? न्यूटन, किलो न्यूटन, और वॉल्यूम इज मीटर क्यूब. सो न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब, इट इज a unit of weight density. Otherwise किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब. SI unit means it will be the kilonewton per meter cube. For a water क्या होगा? Specific weight of a water. Specific weight of a water is rho into g. Okay, हमें रो पता है कितना होता है वाटर का? 1000 multiply by gravity of acceleration कितना होता है? 9.81. It will give us 9810 Newton per meter cube. It is a specific weight of water. If we talk about the mercury का भी ऐसे ही करेंगे हम. रो gamma is equal to rho into g. रो पता है हमें 13,600 multiply by acceleration, it will give us specific weight of mercury. It is nothing but 133416.6 Newton per meter cube. Okay, then next a relative density or specific gravity. The relative density specific gravity is the ratio of density of a liquid to the density of a water. At the 4 degrees Celsius, it's called as relative density or specific gravity. So एक तो दो डेंसिटी का रेशियो होता है, एक तो रो अपॉन वाटर, अदरवाइज गैमा अपॉन वाटर, रो अपॉन फ्लूइड, सॉरी फ्लूइड, जो भी आपका फ्लूइड होगा, लिक्विड होगा, उसका डिवाइडेड बाय रो ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज ऑल्सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी. एंड सेकेंड वन क्या होगा, रो ऑफ लिक्विड अपॉन रो ऑफ वाटर. इट विल गिव्स अ स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी और relative gravity, that we can say. That will be the water. So what will be the unit? एक ही quantity, same quantity, so it is a unitless quantity. Okay. So SI unit of the relative density, no unit, क्योंकि एक ही है, density of the liquid upon density of the water, unit will get cancelled, so it is a no unit. It has no unit. So specific gravity of the water, we know it is a S is equal to 1. It is a specific gravity of the water. If it is greater than 1, the liquid is higher than the water. If it is less than 1, then the liquid is lighter than the water. That we can specify by using that. So then next definition is specific volume. Specific volume, it is the volume per unit mass of a liquid is called as specific volume. It is a reciprocal of, किसका होगा? It is a reciprocal of mass density, otherwise specific volume. It is the reciprocal of specific volume. क्या होगा? Volume upon mass. So unit का क्या हो जाएगा? मीटर क्यूब पर kg. This is the SI unit of the meter cube per kg. So now we will see the one. So now we will see one example. Calculate the specific weight, specific mass, specific volume, and specific gravity of a liquid having a volume of 6 meter cube and weight of the 44 kilonewton. That we will do. So we have to calculate the specific weight, specific mass, specific volume, and specific gravity of a liquid. And we have given the volume 6 meter cube and weight is 44 kilonewton. So firstly, we will calculate the specific weight. What is the formula of specific weight? Weight upon volume. So weight is 44 kilonewton upon 6 meter cube. 44 को हम न्यूटन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 44 into 10⁻³ upon 6. Otherwise, we can calculate in kilonewton also. So let's calculate in a kilonewton. So weight upon volume. Weight is 44 kilonewton divided by 6. So it will give us 7.33 kilonewton per meter cube. Now let's calculate the specific mass. We know the two formulas of specific mass. First one is mass per volume and second one is rho into g. So we know the specific weight, that is a gamma. So हम क्या करेंगे? Rho को इधर लाएंगे और rho upon g. So rho upon g, 7.33. That is a specific weight into 1000. We have to calculate we have to convert in a Newton. So into 1000 divided by 9.81, it will use a 747.196 kg per meter cube. That is nothing. And next one is specific volume. Specific volume is the reciprocal of mass density. So if we calculate the mass density, if we divide that the mass density, it will use a specific volume. So 1/747.196, it will use as the specific volume. It is nothing but 0.00134 meter cube per kg. And last one is relative density. It is nothing but specific gravity. So specific gravity का formula क्या है? Density of a liquid and density of a water. So density of the liquid कितनी आई थी हमारी? 7.33 upon 9.81. It will use a 0.747. That is nothing but specific gravity or relative density of a water. Liquid or fluid जो भी होगा उसका एक specific gravity, and this is a specific volume. Thank you for watching.